Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you how to assemble this dining chair, so let's get started. Just a quick reminder, the estimated time for assembly is 15 minutes and you don't need any extra tools, so let's get into it. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have your legs facing up so that the holes are facing you and not your surface. The next thing you want to pay attention to is with these legs, there's one slightly straight leg and one that's a bit more angled. It's going to be really important when you're putting this together. Next, you'll grab your cushion and you're going to want to pay attention to the holes on the side of your cushion. You notice that one set of holes is a little bit more straight and then one is a bit more angled. That's to match the shape of the chair, so just make sure you have the angled holes matching up to the angled leg. So we'll go ahead and attach this to our first leg. Then we can go ahead and put all of our bolts in, and with our bolts you want to make sure that you have the lock washer on first and then the wider washer on second. So we can go ahead and put all of these in, and don't tighten them completely until you have all 4 bolts on each side. All right, and once you have all 4 bolts in part way, you can go ahead and tighten those completely. All right, and once we have all of those bolts tightened completely, we can go ahead and attach this to the other leg. So we'll just turn this like this. And then once again, make sure you have the angled holes lining up with the angled leg. This way. And then once again, we can put in all of our bolts. All right, and once you have all of those bolts tightened completely, we can go ahead and attach the chair to the back. And then when you're attaching the chair to the back piece, you just want to make sure that you have the angled legs facing the curved side of the chair, because those angled legs are going to be the back legs of your chair. We can go ahead and put in our bolts. And once again, don't tighten them completely until you get all 4 in, just that way it's easier to line up all the holes. All right, and once we have all 4 of those bolts in part way, we can go ahead and tighten them completely. Once you have all of those bolts in completely, then you're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new dining chair. For more guides, tips, and tricks, head on over to WEEZR14OS3.com.